Welcome to another episode of the Bear Tall Podcast. Today, we are recording this episode with our Bearbies. Nakikita ba sila? Hindi sila makikita. Pakita nyo pa rin sila. Okay. Kasi kausap ko na naman yung sarili ko dito. Watching right here in the studio, and we are so excited to have you all as part of the conversation. Our topic today is all about modern dating. From viral trends like shallots and the rise of transactional love to whether organic encounters are still possible. And the question so many people are asking, how do we really move on in 2026? Pasabog. Okay. Helping us unpack all of that is someone our listeners know and love. Back on the Bear Tall Podcast is the Philippines U.S. certified matchmaker and science-based dating coach. Please welcome Coach V. Antonio.
Thank you.
Welcome back, Coach V.
Woo! It's so glad to be back. And my gosh, congratulations.
Thank you.
The
Ang dami
very
na, no,
tall.
Coach
Ang
V?
dami na.
Magdasal pa tayo ng famash. Okay. Ano may sasabihin
Thank you for
ko?
having me back, guys.
Coach V, ikaw lang ata yung bumalik dito ng 3 beses.
Wow,
At feeling ko
talaga?
may pang-10 pa.
I love it. I'm ready for it,
Ready
my
na?
love.
Pang ilan na? Si Coach V lang. Yung pangatlo, in fairness. Okay, ready na ba tayo sa topic natin? So, it's dating in 2026, Coach V. Pero bago ko itatanong muna here, gusto ko muna malaman, ano ba yung feeling mong pinaka nagbago sa dating pre-pandemic and now, 2026?
So, before ko sagutin yan, Danny, gusto ko muna malaman.
Okay, go.
Those who are joining us today, sino-sino ang mga singles?
Ay?
Ah, proud
lahat.
sila, my love.
Eh, bakit naman kasi sila
Taas
magsasign?
pa ng konti.
Oh, diba?
Ayan,
Ayun.
single. Mga nasa
Ayun.
70% single.
Yes.
No? So, your question is very, very timely and
Yes.
useful. No? So, ano nga ba ang nagabago? Well, we have more and more options to meet people, but it's harder and harder to fall in love. Napansin nyo ba? Ang bilis makamit ng mga tao, pero ang hirap ma-in love. Yan
Loko-loko
yung
na
isa.
sila lahat eh. Loko-loko na sila eh. Oh, buisit na yan. Oh, anyway.
Wow, parang may hugot ba tong si Danny?
Buisit eh. Okay, anyway. Okay, Coach V, ano yung pinaka-different? Tingin mo, dati, nung bago mag-pandemic, nung lahat pa ng tao ay hindi tayo natenga sa bahay. Before that, do you think dating is so much different or it's sort of the same? Parang people just kind of fell back in.
Right. So I think the pandemic had both pros and cons pagdating sa love life. One of my favorite pros will be yung
Dating
distance. The dating app have actually nag-peak siya
Yes,
because
pandemic.
how else can you meet somebody, no? Alangan naman yung yung nagsaswab sa'yo, yung jojowain
Malay mo, may ganun story, Coach
Ay,
V.
marami din ganun,
Oh.
di ba? So one of the advantage was because of the pandemic, we weren't very conscious about distance anymore. Because at that time, whether both of you are from Quezon City or yung kausap ka talking stage mo nasa America, does not have any difference. You still won't
Parang
see each
LDR
other.
kayo lahat.
LDR kayo lahat. And then I've noticed after the pandemic, we started to do love beyond boundary, beyond like distance. So, hindi na naging issue yung parang LDR. Mas naging open yung mga tao for international love.
Oo, kasi na-experience na nila,
Experience
no? Ay,
na
oo
na
nga,
eh.
no? Hindi ko naisip yun. Galing mo talaga, Coach V. Okay, next. Every year, it feels like there's a new dating trend.
Yeah.
This year, everyone's talking about shallots. Can you explain what it is and why do you think it's resonating with so many people? So, familiar tayo sa nonchalant love. Na-in-love na ba kayo sa nonchalant? Na-in-love
Taas kamay,
kayo? Ano
raise your
experience sa
hand.
nonchalant?
Raise your hand.
What's your experience with nonchalant? Nakakapagod, no? Hindi romantic. Ayoko ng nonchalant eh. Ay, naku. Anyway.
Napansin kasi namin before, yung mga nai-in-love sa nonchalant is because they themselves are avoidant.
Ay,
They themselves
avoidant
have
ka ba? Ay,
have
avoidant ka? Hindi mo
naman.
feel?
Kaya nga ayaw niya.
Oh.
But that's what I've noticed because I've gone through that phase as well. Some of my clients have gone through that phase wherein like, oh, gusto ko yung nonchalant, yung hindi ko alam kung gusto niya ako or, di ba that's exciting.
May push and pull.
May push and pull. But like, sometimes we like toxic people because we are toxic ourselves.
Oh my God!
And we don't
Wag
even
tayong
recognize
ganun.
it.
Dami kong toxic na ex. Shit. Wait,
So,
ganun ba yun, Coach
Yeah,
V?
so that's just one of the things that we've noticed. Kasi if you are a person with yung tinatawag nilang secure attachment style, you should be comfortable expressing and receiving love. So the fact na parang it makes you feel uncomfortable when people are being forthcoming about how they, di ba may mga tao na ini-express yung love sa inyo tapos sasabihin nyo, ang cringe.
Ako ganon. Avoidant ako sa ganon. Avoidant ako sa sweetness. Hindi ko alam. Or may
Bakit?
pinipili akong kinds ng sweetness. Parang hindi ko kaya mag-react ng maayos sa sweetness.
Bakit, Dani? Ang sarap-sarap ng sweet.
Kaya nga eh. Pero ito na yung kaartehan ko. Gusto ko naman. Gusto
Pero,
ko naman, di ba?
pakipot.
Ang arte ko, pakipot ako.
Pinay na
Pero
pinay.
hindi pakipot ng intentional. Talagang defense siya ng katawan ko. Na kunyari may gagawin sa aking sweet. Yung tingin ko parang, pero kinikilig ako. Alam mo yun? Yung weird ko talagang tao.
Alam mo kung
Sweet.
bakit?
Toxic nga ako.
Alam mo kung bakit? My love, guess lang. Baka sa childhood natin, there was somebody who gave us love and then after giving us love, betrayed us after.
Umalis. Ay, ang dami, Coach V. Ano, pangalanan, name drop. Dami.
Wag.
Abandonment,
Wag.
dami, Coach V.
Yeah.
Oo.
So,
Oo, ramdam na ramdam ko yan.
so my love, growing up, ganun din. Kaya parang nakita natin, oh, ang sweet, ang expressive, ay nag-e-effort, aalis din yan.
Yeah, ganun ako, Coach V.
Inunahan mo na. Kaya nagsiself-sabotage tayo sa mga love life. Sayang, what if they really mean well?
Yeah. Actually, chances are they do mean well.
Yeah.
Ako talaga yung parang feeling ko, naghahanap ako ng mali. Kasi sometimes, kapag the feeling is too good, it's like too good to be true. It's like you're afraid that, wait, why is this getting so good? Like, bakit?
You become
ang saya-saya
suspicious.
Ko. Ang suspicious mo.
Yeah.
So ako lagi, ano kasalanan mo today? Diba? Parang, pansin niyo ba?
Umamin ka na,
Diba?
it's too perfect.
Ano kasalanan mo? Bakit masyado kang perfect? Or kunyari may gagawin na sweetness, it's like, may
Ano
agenda
kailangan
to.
mo today?
May kailangan to. Parang hindi ka maka-accept ng love freely. Parang
yeah.
feeling mo laging may kapalit.
Correct,
Oh, ang
correct.
sakit.
It's similar to women, and when we work with successful women, it's similar to women with provider mindset pero walang receiver mindset.
Ako na naman yun.
Ikaw na
Hala.
naman, Dan.
Ako ba to? Ba't di ba to ginawang episode? Okay. Hala mo, expose tayo dito.
Yeah. So many of the women who's working with us, diba, they're successful, they're doing so well. They're so used to providing for other people, panganay, breadwinner. Pero pag nililibre on a date, kapag pinapakitaan ng guy ng kumbaga, sabihin natin gifts o kaya yung libre lang sa first date, parang they feel like, uy, binayaran niya coach yung first date, parang dapat ako yung magbabayad ng dessert o
ganyan
magbabayad
ako,
ng
Coach
second
V.
date. May ganon. And I was
Atay.
like, baby girl, it's okay. It's okay to receive because you've been giving all your life. When are you ever gonna rest? Your love life should be your rest.
Ala, iyak ako. Coach V, wag ganyan.
Wag. Baby,
Oh my God. Pero Coach V, alam mo, na-realize ko lang yung friend ko. Kasi mahilig ako kahit sa friends ko, hindi na naman sa partner. Sa friends ko, tadi ako na magbabayad. Parang feeling ko kailangan ako. So, may isa akong friend, hindi nga. Waron ako, ako magbabayad. Parang, feeling ko matagal niya nang naiinis na siya sa akin at one point na inaako ko lagi lahat. But it's really out of because I just want to. Hindi naman siya parang... Pero gets ko yung sinasabi mo na nagiging ano na siya, mechanism na agad ikaw magbabayad. Kaya nung nagkaroon ng trend sa TikTok, yung 50-50, hindi ako makamake ng stance. Like, gusto ko mag-make ng stance.
Ano yung
pero
trend sa TikTok na 50-50?
yung sa first date ba yun, na parang okay ba na mag-split kayo ng bill o dapat yung lalaki yung magbabayad?
Tanong natin. Sige, tanong natin, Danny.
Sige, kayo.
Sige, raise your hand if you are okay with 50-50.
Sumali.
Okay. Now, raise your hand if you...
Wala na akong pera. Narinig kayo. Ano ba naman? Wala na akong show. Wala pa akong pera. 50-50 pa tayo.
Diba? So, raise your hand if you would love for the man to pay for the first date. And every date. Tatayo na ako dito.
Aba, sana naman.
We've
Tama.
noticed, Danny, the more successful a woman is, the more she should be babied.
Oh my God! You're right! Natasha, did you hear that? It's That's so true.
Because most of the time, nobody is really doing that to them. So when you baby them, when you provide for them, when they're used to being the provider, they fall madly in love with you.
Amen. Amen. Coach V, alam mo ba ako, kahit sobrang konting kembot na nga lang as in like, kunyari, sobrang thoughtfulness na lang. Yung naalala lang yung something na nabanggit ko before. Tapos ginawa, kahit sobrang simple. Kunyari sinabi ko, mahilig ako sa ketchup. Kahit ganun ka-simple.
Tapos binili ka ng ketchup,
tapos,
you felt
hindi,
so...
tapos kumakain ako, tapos biglang nilagyan ako ng ketchup.
Like, wow.
Coach V!
Like, take me home.
May himatay ako sa kilig.
Oh,
Ganon.
diba?
Kasi parang ibig sabihin, inisip mo ko yung
Yeah.
gusto ko. Or like, so as simple as yan, masakit yung paa ko.
Yeah, because
Ganyan.
you're so used to be the one thinking ahead for other people
Always.
around you.
Parang ang sarap ba-baby once in a while. Tapos pag hindi mo nararamdaman yun as a girly, as an independent
Yeah.
girly, parang feeling mo, it's like, bigay ka ng bigay.
Yes.
Tapos parang pagdating sa'yo, walang gumagawa nun for you.
Kasi iniisip nila, you're like all the time, you're okay.
Yes, you're so
okay
put
ka naman
together.
Yeah, parang iniisip nila, oh, giver naman yan. Parang, but some of the giver, they're the ones who do not usually receive.
Exactly.
Even on Christmas. And there was this, of course, like being who are breadwinners here? Just like, Coach V and Danny. Who else? Wow, walang breadwinner dito. Swerte nyo, guys.
Sabog
I love
kayo,
it.
Sana all,
Swerte
Char.
nyo, sana all.
Sana all. Kaya 50-50.
Yeah, my love, there are Christmas and this is something that I'm grateful for. Pero sometimes mapapaisip ka, there are Christmas wherein like, like I want everybody to feel loved and whatever. Pero parang sabi ko, wow, parang wala akong natanggap na itong
Yes. Alam mo, kahit ayaw mo mangwenta, for some reason, pumapasok siya sa mind mo. Pero hindi mo siya sasabihin. Yung pangingwenta na parang, bakit ganon? You make people feel this way. This certain level of love. Pero pag sila, ba't parang hirap na hirap sila ibalik?
Yeah. Although some people, they mean well kasi iniisip nila, maybe she
Okay naman
already
siya.
okay naman siya.
Oo.
Ang hirap niyang regaluhan,
Yeah.
so wag na lang. So in my head, like maybe like kahit siguro like bar of candy or kahit note, parang may thought na alam kong strong independent woman ka, pero alam kong mahilig ka din sa chocolate.
Yes. Actually, yun nga yung simple things eh. Like other
Yeah,
people,
yeah.
yun na nga eh, you like the simple things and yet you don't get the simple things. And then when you complain, you're whining. Or you're not, hindi siya enough. Or kapag nag-complain ka or nag-voice out ka ng emotion mo, ikaw pa yung parang masama for voicing out your concern because you sound ungrateful. But the truth is, it's like, I'm not sounding ungrateful. I just want a little bit of romance, a little bit of love, a little bit of thoughtfulness. Like it doesn't have, you don't have to buy me a car. Like, but at least like, remember things.
Yeah.
Alam mo yon? Or like, remember my coffee order.
Absolutely.
You know what, Coach V? This is one thing I hate. Okay.
What?
I have one coffee order.
Okay.
And everybody who knows me know that coffee
Pwedeng
order.
paki-announce na para alam na namin
Yes.
lahat.
Iced
Sige.
cafe latte. Yun lang. O, diba, simple? With oat
Ang
milk.
hirap i-memorize,
O, diba?
ah.
With
With
oat
oat
milk
milk.
and
Okay.
one stevia. Yun
Okay,
lang.
guys,
And a dash of
ah,
cinnamon
remember.
sometimes. So, minsan...
Parang padugtong ng padugtong. Ano pa? Akala ko ba
Mahirap
yun
pala,
lang?
mahirap pala.
Oo, haba pala.
Well,
Ano pa?
anyway, nagkaroon ng instance, everybody knew that coffee order of mine. And then this person who I hoped knew that coffee order.
Oh.
Tinanong ako kung ano yung coffee order ko. Stress ako talaga, Coach V. Nagalit ako talaga. Bad trip na ako the whole day.
Kasi
Kasi sabi
tinanong
ko like, grabe, coffee order na lang. Di mo pa alam. Tapos ito na, that same day,
Oh.
yung friend, like, as in a friend, nakasama lang namin doon, siya yung bumili ng kape. Alam niya yung coffee order ko.
Alam niya.
Ay, sabi ko talaga, shit.
So yung guy ba na yun na hindi alam yung coffee order mo, alam mo ba yung coffee order niya?
Oo.
Oh, mas
Lahat
masakit
ng favorite
yun.
niya alam ko.
Masakit niyan.
Lahat ng favorite niya, lahat ng ayaw niya, lahat ng gusto niya ipatanggal sa pagkain niya, alam ko.
Wow. Tapos coffee order mo lang.
Tapos meron
hindi
pa
niya
kayo sa
ma-memorize?
experience. Gusto mo yung nag-rant na lang dito? Lagyan mo sa sama na loob.
Pangalanan mo
Para
na
sa akin
din.
pala to. Meron ako, meron akong
therapy session
therapy
mo to.
to. Okay, makinig kayo sa therapy
Thank you
ko.
for having me there.
Kailangan ko mag-release. So anyway, Coach V,
Oh, sige,
may
sige.
isang time.
Sumbong mo, my love.
Ex
Go.
ko naman to, nagkaroon
Oh.
ako sakit. Tapos, kasi picky eater ako. So, sobrang basic na mga kinakain kong food. So, anyway, first, after fasting, pwede ka na kumain. So
Okay.
sabi ko sa kanya, bili mo ako ng food. Sabi ko, bili ka ng Pancake House. Sobrang basic ng Pancake House order ko, guys. Beef tapa and spaghetti.
Hi,
O, di ba? Parang
Pancake
bata.
House.
Anyway,
Oh,
dumating siya, Coach V.
beef tapat spaghetti. Okay.
Hindi beef tapa tsaka spaghetti
Ano
yung dinala
dinala
niya
sa'yo?
doon. At this point, parang 3 years na kami together. Ang dinala niya was some wild thing that I don't eat. Di man wild, pero sa akin wild na yun. Parang nagdala ata siya sa akin ng tacos and something else.
Bakit daw?
Sabi ko, walang tapa tsaka spaghetti. Tinanong ko. Sabi niya sa akin, okay na yan, nakalimutan ko eh.
Oh.
Alam mo, Coach V, after nun, sabi ko, grabe, may sakit ako. Hindi pa rin excuse yun.
I know.
Tapos hospital tayo, oh. Yung
Ay,
parang,
oo.
hindi, wow! Hindi ko kinain, Coach V.
Ay,
Tapos hindi ko kinain, nag-away kami.
Ah.
Kasi hindi ko kinain.
Ay,
Sinayang ko
ganon.
na yung pera niya. Sinayang ko naman talaga.
Si Kuya kasi, if you got it right, hindi sana nasayang
Yeah.
yung
Ubus
yung
ko pa sana.
pagkain. Oo.
Anyway, gutom na
Gumaling
gutom
ka pa
ako.
sana agad.
Tapos nung papabili ako ulit ng food, di niya ako binilan ng
Ay,
food.
hindi na niya binilhan.
O, diba?
Oh my
Ang
God.
sad talaga na life ko
See,
before.
kaya nakaka-inlove ang mga taong intentional. Kasi sino lang ba ang taong nagpipay attention sa atin right now? Meron pa bang taong nagpipay attention sa inyo right now? No?
Si Kuya
Iilan lang ba
nagnanad.
yan?
Kuya, ikaw yun, no?
Yeah,
Feeling
I'm so
ko naman.
happy Kuyas are here
Feeling ko
too.
talaga, ikaw ganun ka.
Diba?
Oh.
That's why, and this is also my advice to those who are courting strong, independent women. Man, they are the easiest to make them fall in love. Just be intentional, pay attention. Narinig nyo na yung coffee, nila. Yung tipong be a giver, a provider for this person, not because they're in a survival mode, they couldn't do it, like because they're so used to it, maybe they don't know how that feels.
Yeah.
How does it feel to be like a baby? Like when somebody is
I don't
thinking,
know. I'm a dragon. Hindi ako princess,
See?
Coach V.
Like how does it feel when somebody already knows what you need even before you even say it?
Yeah.
Like how does it feel when they give you something that you didn't ask for? Ang sarap siguro nun. Nakaka-inlove yung taong yun. So, sino yung gustong ganong partner? Wow. And it's not about, oh, Coach V, you're telling women to read their mind. No. If you really pay attention to somebody, when you love somebody, you look at what they eat, how they breathe, how they even, it
Coach
comes
V,
naturally.
and women are vocal. We tell everybody what we want. That's the thing, right? Like, when are we ever secretive?
nga.
We say it on Instagram, TikTok,
I know.
Facebook.
My love, the stories, it's parinig.
Every time we reshare, repost, that's it. That's what we want. You just don't pay attention.
So, yeah, that's why when they say like, women, do you want us to read your mind? No. Go to my stories. The reason why I shared that bouquet is not because I like the bouquet of my friend. No, I'm saying bouquet.
yes, I like
Oh,
flowers.
I like flowers.
Parang bata eh.
Di ba
Diyos
parang-
ko.
so-
Step 1. Check IG stories. Oh my God. Okay.
Step 2, follow the providers I'm following on Instagram.
Diba? Or like yung order mo, di ba minsan kapag lagi naman kayo nagde-date, alam mo na kung ano yung lagi niya in-order sa lahat ng restaurant. So pag hindi pa siya nagpe-pay attention doon, parang ala red flag.
Parang what's the point of having a love life when you are not attuned to your partner? Para mo silang ni-love life lang. Para what? Para may kalabing-labing
Para may
ka sa
nambe-baby
gabi?
sa kanila, one-sided eh.
Ayun, yun.
Para
Yun
sila
yung
yung baby.
mahirap.
Di ba?
Kaya
Sana
nga-
nag-anak ka na lang.
Kaya,
O,
kaya
diba?
absolutely.
Kaya dalawa na ko eh.
Kaya nga, my love, in our trainings, we have this femininity program. Like, and most of those are women who are doing well in their life. Hindi mo na nag-love life because they were building themselves. And I tell them, mas okay yan kesa sa nasa survival mode ka na nag-date.
Yes.
But one of the lessons that I teach is, act broke.
Bro.
Kasi act bro, kasi pag pinakita mo na masyado kang capable, masyadong kaya mo, masyado kang, up there, they might think na, kaya mo naman pala eh, hindi mo naman ma-appreciate. So just, you will not be liked for your money. And I hope that you find a man who does not like you because you're successful. I hope you find a man who likes you because you are a woman.
Oh,
That's the man.
wag kayo. Ay, Coach
That's why I was like,
V.
guys, when you're going on a date, I know that you love your branded bags. I know that it's not about playing small. It's just showing up because I want the man to see you as a woman before your ability to produce. Because those who are most attracted to women who are very, very successful, you have to pay attention. Kasi baka, the tendency is we go for somebody who has what we don't have. So, ang yaman mo, sino
Hindi
ma-attract
siya
mo?
mayaman.
Yung walang pera.
Ayun na nga. Hindi ka,
So,
alam mo,
ano
feeling ko
lang,
din kasi
bro.
Coach V, dahil ano ka, tawag dito, ikaw din naka-survival mode.
Oo, like on my 20s, I was on my survival mode and I was choosing differently. I was choosing based on survival. Like, naalala ko nga before, like, oh, I like being, on dates because instead that, like, oh, I'm gonna go and prepare my dinner, like, oh, I have somebody to buy me dinner. Ganon yung choosing mo, ibang-iba. Compared to when you're already built yourself, you're not choosing somebody kasi lilibre ka. You're choosing somebody because, oh, I think this is gonna be like a good father to my children.
Yeah.
This person is going to be, a good addition into my overall life. Not because of, like what they can provide for you. Medyo
Yeah.
nagha-high level ka kapag above survival mode ka na.
Yeah. Pero hindi ko nga, the thing is, you don't ever know the difference if nakaalis ka na sa survival mode. Kasi nga, lalo na kung if you choose to have a partner like that. So parang forever ka naka-survival mode.
Yes.
Kasi hanggang ngayon, lumalaban ka pa rin against what you want eh. It's like you're fighting between you sa sarili mo.
Correct. And there's many women who are like that. They're already out of the survival mode, but their nervous system is still survival mode. They don't know how to rest.
Yes,
They don't
that's
know how
me.
to be
Oh,
a
shit.
baby girl. They always feel like I have to do this and I have to be the dragon. I have to prove myself.
Yeah.
Like my love, the type of men that you are going to attract when you have that kind of nervous system, these are the men who are chaotic. These are the men who's gonna love you because you will pay for the date. But if you have already say, you know what, I don't have to prove anything. My value is not about, kumbaga, men and women, it's a social contract. Nagbabayad, may currency. Ang currency ng man, tumataas yung currency nila if they know how to protect and to provide. Finance is just one of it. They don't have to be rich kasi maraming mga rich broke. Guys who are rich but don't have a provider mindset. But there are also guys who are average, but man, when you're with them, you know that even to the last 1 peso in their wallet, they are
Gagastusin
happy
nila.
to provide for the woman that you love.
True.
So women naman have currency and it's not money. Money is not our number one ambag. Just think about this. Talking to successful people in our company, nobody will choose a woman who is overly like super successful compared to a woman who brings beauty, peace, fun, playfulness in a relationship. Papiliin mo sila. Babaeng maraming pera or babae who's gonna bring peace in your life. And usually, good men will choose woman who is peaceful and playful.
Ang hirap naman ng Coach V. Buti na lang pala talaga. Paano na ako magiging single nito? Diyos ko naman.
Bakit?
Go-getter ako, Coach V. I wanna work. Gusto
Wonderful.
ko, I
That's
need to
good.
work. Parang feeling ko, hindi ako pwedeng ganda lang ang ambag. Kailangan marami akong ambag.
Yan. So that's a little bit about, we feel na parang, if I don't make ambag, I may not be loved. May ganon. But my love, we need to make money. Kaya nga ang schedule that I'm proposing to women is, are you familiar? 8 to 5, lady boss. After 5, baby girl. Because we need to make money, girl. But it doesn't mean that you're gonna make money 24 hours. I need you to rest, baby girl, or else.
Hindi ako baby girl. Paano yun? Gusto ko din maging baby girl.
See?
Oh my gosh!
I know most women have that desire.
Gawa tayong bagong podcast,
Yes.
Finding Baby Girl.
Baby girl.
Gusto niyo yun? Gusto niyo yun?
Diba?
Produce ko yun.
Bringing out the baby girl. Yeah. But here's the problem. The baby girl will not come out if you have a baby boy. You know?
Oh my God! Oh.
Next question, please.
Coach V, thank you for your time. Pinaalis!
Kailangan
Coach
ko
V,
na
thank you for
umalis.
your time. Tamang-tama na ako sa'yo.
Kailangan ko na ulit.
Okay. Next.
Danny, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking to our audience.
Big God.
Ito naman.
Dapat pa nag-zoom na lang tayo. Okay. Napapahiya ako
Like
dito.
one-on-one na lang sa
Okay, next. Do you think people today are becoming emotionally unavailable? Or are they simply protecting them? Kaya ko to.
Kaya
Or
mo.
are they simply protecting themselves after getting hurt? So how does one become emotionally unavailable for you? Kasi tinakal namin dito sa podcast yung emotionally unavailable. It comes from your roots eh. Kung saan ka, kung ano yung nakasanayan mo. Sometimes people are emotionally unavailable from their childhood because hindi sila nakaramdam ng enough attention, enough love, or siguro enough love sila nung bata sila. So they're very walled.
Correct.
Yung parang mataas yung wall nila, yung boundaries nila intense. So when someone gets close, they detach.
Correct. Because
Or-
that is not familiar to
Yes.
them. Yeah.
So ikaw naman, Coach V, what's your view on people who are emotionally unavailable? Where do you think it stems from?
So to answer your question, I think many of us don't want to be used. So as part of our protective mechanism, that's when we become emotionally unavailable because we feel like, well, if I show interest too soon, they might,
Turn
take
off.
advantage of that. So I love the Filipino culture because we have the hard to get culture. Do you still practice that? Playing hard to get? Yes? Yeah. Umaamin. At least umaamin sila, di ba?
Yung mga ngiti, alam mong hindi eh.
Ay, alam mo
Alam mo,
hindi.
alam mo hindi.
Coach me, what's hard to get?
Oo, ano ba yun,
So-
Coach V? Ang
so-
hirap na mag-date ngayon, mag-hard to get ka pa.
Diba? So if you do the playing hard to get wrong, you will become emotionally unavailable. That's why I'm telling the girls, do not show as if like, oh, hindi ko naman siya pero deep inside, patay na patay ka pala. Diba?
Ganun naman actually yung nangyayari talaga.
Kaya nga
Yung kunyari outside, di ka namamatay. Pero,
Diba? Pero
sa
deep inside, like during your date, binigyan ka nilibre ka ng food, binigyan ka ng flowers, okay, normal. Pero pag uwi mo sa bahay, I found my husband. He's
Oh my
the
God.
one. Ganon.
Oh my God. Oo
But the
nga.
guy is not hearing that. So all along, he was thinking, baka may iba, baka hindi ako type. That is an example of emotional availability. Playing the hard to get wrong. So all this time, even during my younger years, the Lola will always say, play hard to get, hold
Yeah.
the line, all these things. So I said, it means not showing interest. But you know what? In this generation, if you stop showing interest, guess what happens next? Nasa kabila na yung nililigawan, wala na sa'yo. Because all this time, if you keep on being nonchalant, either you attract another nonchalant or you sacrifice meeting a very chalant, expressive, loving man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So my suggestion would be, if you really like that man,
Go
then
get him.
Say it. Say it. That's being
Yes.
emotionally available. And according to Vanessa Edwards, she is a behavioral investigator. Sabi niya, that's the most attractive trait. Being emotional available. Compared na, there's this beautiful woman who is emotionally unavailable and an average-looking woman who is emotionally available, mas naliligawan yung mga average-looking na mga babae compared to stunningly beautiful. Why? Because when sometimes when you know that you're average-looking, bumabawi sa ugali. Hindi naman, tsaka we like to express just express the truth. It doesn't mean that I like you, that you're gonna get me. I'm just saying like there's a good chance. And that's how I've always...
May laban pa pala yung mga hindi
Yeah.
stunningly beautiful.
Yes, my gosh, if we are not the most beautiful, like you just have to show emotional availability because that's very rare right now because most people are afraid.
So
to show
naniniwala ka
that.
ba, Coach V, na kapag may gusto ka doon sa tao, kahit dapat, kasi di ba may mga notion tayo na dapat lalaki ang mauuna magsabi.
100%
So,
dapat talaga.
Dapat. So naniniwala ka
talaga.
dapat guy.
Dapat
Kahit
guys.
ang bagal ng lalaki, kahit wala na siya ginagawang move, naiirita ka na, gusto mo na sabihin sa kanya, bawal pa rin yun,
So
Coach
I don't
V.
encourage women to do the first move, but I encourage them to send positive signals.
What are these positive singles? Singles.
Positive singles. Nabulol ako,
May negative.
Ginaya mo din yung pagiging bulol ko.
Well, ano naman yung mga positive signals?
So it starts with, for example, somebody's showing interest to you, no? You don't necessarily tell them that you like them, but it should show in the sparkle in your eyes, when you smile, when you touch their arm. That's already positive signal for the guys. Hindi mo man sinabi that, yes, I like you, you too. But for men, like holding them kahit very, safe lang, wag bababa. Arms lang, based on science. Arms and back, very
Hindi na
safe
hard to get
touch. Hindi na hard to get.
Sobrang
Sabihin na-
Oo, tinalunan mo na.
Oo, wag. But when you touch them, for men, it's a sign that you feel safe with them. That is the most, it's stronger than, yes, I like you. So give them like that safe touch and just, it's very normal. When you smile, it's a sign of that you're relaxed, that you're at peace, no? So medyo underrated na yung smile, pero yung mga babae kasi lalo na with the resting bitch face, I suffer that, especially nung 20s. Like I don't get approached in public because every time I see a man, lalo na pag lumalapit, diba? For example, lalapit, gaganon ka agad kasi feeling mo may gagawin
Oo,
masama
may gagawin sa'yo. Tama.
Diba? Like, what happened? It's like, we've always been in survival mode. What if they are looking at you because they admire your
Oo,
beauty?
nagagandahan sa'yo.
Nagagandahan. Or maybe they want to say hi, right? So I think it's bringing back that, actually it starts kasi with you. If you know that you're beautiful, you're worth admiring, you also show that. But if you feel lack, you'll feel like, lumapit lang.
Ini-exude mo yun eh.
Yeah, lumalapit lang yan sa
Agree.
akin kasi gusto niyan yung pera ko. No, what if gusto nila yung puso mo? Di ba? So to show emotionally availability is, of course, if you cannot say it through words, say it through action. Smile a lot, like sparkly. Yan yung nahanap ng guys. Yung sparkly, yung may buhay pa yung mata.
Pero, Coach V, yung iba, bakit natatawag na dilulu pagka ganun? Diba? Yung sobra ka naman masaya na nakita mo, parang gwapong-gwapo ka naman, masyado. Tapos halatang halata sa face mo, tapos dilulunin tawag sa'yo, hindi na na-attract.
Gustong-gusto. Kapag ang lalaki gusto nila makitang dilulo ka. Pero kapag ang lalaki ayaw sa'yo, pag dilulo ka, tatakbo palayo yun.
Ay, shit.
So pag pinakita mong emotional na available ka, they're just gonna, come in closer kung gusto ka talaga nila. Pero kung hindi,
dilulo ka talaga.
dilulo ka talaga. Mag-isa ka dun
Mag-isa ka dun sa fantasy
land.
mo.
Yes.
Oo.
So
Ang
yun lang.
hirap.
Like, do not play hard to get and mean it. Do not play hard to get pero mamamatay-matay ka na deep inside. Gusto mo nang asawangin. Di ba? Mean it, and it doesn't mean that you tell them you like them, that you're sold. No, I like you, but you still have to prove yourself.
Ayun. Tinan mo. Ay,
Maligaw
nako
ka pa
talaga.
din, kuya.
Paligaw ka pa din talaga.
Yes.
Okay. If someone wants to meet a partner naturally today, where should they be looking? Sa church ba? Sa tindahan ba? Sa kanto? Sa mall? San ba?
Parang
Coach
nakita
V?
ko sila gumana na, ready na kami, Coach V. Saan kami pupunta after this?
Magbubook na ako ng Grab. Saan ba dapat, Coach V? Kasi ang hirap Ang hirap talaga. Ako, tagal ko na kasing nasa relationship. So parang hindi ko na alam. Ako nga random yung meeting namin ng husband ko.
Paano
As in,
ba kayo nag-meet?
Laon yun. As in,
common
random
friend.
talaga. Pinakilala lang siya ng friend sa akin na
Okay.
parang, my friend likes you. Sino friend?
Ganon agad yung bungad sa'yo.
Ganon lang. My friend has a crush on you. Tapos hinatak niya lang ako. Tapos pinakilala niya sa akin. Ganon lang. That was like, feeling ko the most organic encounter of my life.
Hindi lang organic, may reinforcement pa.
Meron.
Kasi alam mo nang gusto ka.
Tsaka siya, Coach V, first time ko din nakamit ng tao na wala siyang kaalam-alam about me or my family. As in zero. Kasi
so
sheltered siya.
Okay.
So, parang iba yung life niya. Hindi ganun yung eksena nila. So, hindi
Gotcha.
nila alam yung mga nangyayari sa showbiz world. So,
Gotcha.
wala talaga, unaware.
So he liked you because of how you showed up. Like he liked you as a woman, not
Yeah.
because of your
I
background.
guess.
Okay. That's
I'll never know. But maybe let's just think positive.
Yes.
Maybe.
So that's very organic because based on data, the number one way that people are still meeting their partner as of 2026, number one is still common friends, community, church, work.
Sabo.
Diba? That's number one. Okay, guess, like this, mga, pag
Kung work from home, mag-church ka na
ayan.
lang.
Yeah.
Feel ko lang. Kung hindi ka pa sure sa church mo, sandali lang, isip po na tayo.
Saan pa pwede, ano ka, mag-tennis
Hala.
ka, mag-badminton ka,
Pickleball.
Pickleball,
Pero baka
paddle.
bakla. So,
Ayun lang.
hanap ka lang medyo ibang sport.
Ayun
Tennis. Tingin
Paddle,
mo.
my love. Marami
Paddle.
nagkakatuluyan sa
Paddle.
paddle. My best friend found her the one
Or
in
gusto mo
paddle.
basketball. Nood ka na sa bleachers.
Sobrang halata naman, my
Sobrang halata
love.
mo. Ikaw lang yung babae doon.
Oo, like, what's your favorite hobby? Oh, I like basketball.
I like watching basketball.
Hindi ka mo na makashoot ng bola, pero it's my new hobby.
Okay, joke lang yan.
So what's the number 2 that people are meeting their partners based
Saan,
on
Coach?
data? Wanna guess? You want to guess? Okay, so the number 2 way that people are meeting their partners is through online dating, and part of that is dating app. So kahit sabihin
Download na
nila,
yan.
download. Kahit sabihin nila, uy, walang kwenta yung mga dating app, you can't say that. There's a lot of people who have found love there. I think the question is,
Ay, may kilala ako,
do you know
success
how
rate.
to use it?
100%.
Talaga?
Hindi ko na siya papangalanan, pero masaya siya sa life niya talaga.
Oo,
Coach.
dahil sa sa app. It happens. But you know what? If there are people who are so great in person that it does not translate on a dating app. So hindi sila makakuha ng date. So hindi nila mapakita how fantastic they are.
Coach V, totoo ba na ang pinaka nakaka-pressure na date is the first date?
Ay, absolutely. Because anything that's unknown, it makes us panic because it's something new.
So
Something
paano mo i-approach yung first date? Kasi ayaw mo rin siya i-overthink.
The more you get nervous, the more you should go for it. And
Diba
remember,
sabi nga natin, pag takot ka, mas gawin mo.
why? Because the reason why you are nervous is because your nervous system is not used to it. There's no other reason. Hindi lang kayo sanay. Kaya tumatalon-talon yung puso nyo as if, like parang mali talaga, parang ayoko na lang. Hindi, the more you have to go. And the way to normalize anything is through repetition. Okay? So kung takot ka makipag-date, the more kailangan mo makipag-date. Kung takot kang makipag-eye contact, the more kailangan mo makipag-eye contact. Kung takot ka magmahal, the more kailangan mong subukan magmahal.
Oh. Ay,
Para
nako, Lord.
ma-normalize yun.
Pasabog. Okay, next. Do you think love has become more transactional today? Nako, ibig sabihin, may kapalit.
That's why I don't match people on their survival mode. Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit, Coach V?
Sometimes paningin nila sa tao, resource, hindi pagmamahal.
Namamask.
Na oo, parang
Yung,
mas nauuna yung needs kesa sa desire to love and to give.
Oh, paano mo na-differentiate yon, Coach V? Like, say may lumapit sa'yo.
Okay.
Paano mo nakikita na ang gusto niya is talaga naghahanap siya ng love or
naghahanap
resource?
ng sugar daddy.
Oo, ng sugar daddy ang hinahanap. Yun na nga.
Yeah. So we have our first 3 questions when we vet somebody on a matchmaking is, first is, how happy are you in your life right now? Second is, have you experienced depression? And third is the view of their life. Is it positive or negative? We have some tests na pinapatake sa kanila, and it's called relationship readiness. Bakit namin tinitest about love life to Coach V, pero bakit yung tanong mo puro about me? Because science have shown that if you are currently in a survival mode, miserable ka sa life mo, even if I give you Brad Pitt or Angelina Jolie, you will be happy in the next 6 to 18 months because of the
Kilig.
honeymoon, the
Phase.
love hormones. But after that, you go back to your baseline level of happiness. Okay? So kung hindi ka talaga masaya sa buhay mo, you will even drag that person down with you.
Yeah.
So how can I usually tell when that person wants a love life because they tell me, Coach V, I have so much love to give. Wala lang mapaglagyan.
Oh,
I love
ang
those
sakit
types of
naman
people.
nun.
Yeah, because it happens. You have so much love to give. You haven't really found somebody that's worth pouring all those love. Nafe-feel niyo ba yun? Sino yung ganun? Parang, Coach V, I have so much love to give. I have so much, ambag in my life. Wala lang mapaglagyan. Yun yung maganda. Pero hindi yung, for example, if some people would come to me and say like, oh, I'm a catch, I don't need anything, I don't need coaching, I don't need whatever. I was like, girl, get out of my face.
Ang yabang mo.
Ay, abang mo, doon ka.
May jowa ka ba?
Huwag ka dito. Ay naman pala eh. Like,
Oo.
I remember, like, I had this, the consultation the other day, and she was telling me like, oh, I'm dating high value man and whatever. And I was like, oh, it seems like you
Have it figured
you
out.
have it figured out. Thank you for paying us $300 for this
nga.
call.
Ba't ka pa nandito?
Ba't ka pa nandito? Exactly.
Yeah.
No? If you're not humble enough to recognize that maybe what you have been doing in the past is not working, then we will be able to help you. But if you are in denial about it, we cannot help you because the number one thing that dapat hindi mo niloloko yung sarili mo.
Yes.
Ang hirap kapag ikaw, convinced ka na lahat naman tayo may faults, but I always believe there's always something to level up.
Tama.
And the more you level up, the more people will see that. You are a catch. And it's not you who's gonna tell that you're a catch.
Yes.
It's the people that you wanna be with.
Actually, you never tell yourself. You would never tell yourself na magaling ka. Or never mo i-validate yung sarili mo like that. To be honest, I think we should. Yun yung pinapractice ko ngayon sa sarili ko, that I feel like I self-sabotaged all my life. That when things get good, I always tell myself, Dad, di ako masyado magaling.
you don't
Gagaling
deserve
pa ako.
it.
Hindi ko to deserve. Or kunwari sabihin ko na, I wanna get this, pero hindi ko pa siya deserve. Pero deep down, alam mo naman nagtrabaho ka,
Yeah, you
naghirap
know that
ka,
you deserve
so deserve
it.
mo yung isang bagay.
Right.
So, sabi ko pagpasok ng 2026, iibahin ko yung approach ko sa buhay
Gotcha.
na lahat ima-manifest ko, lahat ng alam ko sa sarili ko, deserve ko.
Yes.
And lately, it's been working. Kasi lahat ng mga throw out ko sa world, na-attract ko siya ngayon.
Wow.
Kaya parang gusto ko to, gusto ko yan. Pero because nilalabas ko siya
Okay.
sa world.
So you feel more worth it now of the
Yeah.
things that you've worked for.
Kasi parang ba't ko aantayin, i-validate ako ng ibang tao?
Yeah,
Ba't ko
yeah,
naman gawin sa sarili ko yun eh?
100%, especially
Diba?
if you know that you put in the work. It's more the number one person that you cannot lie to is yourself, because they see if you're working out, they see your body knows if
Yeah.
you're working hard. You cannot lie to yourself. You will just know it when, for example, there are big events and you need to speak. And then sometimes hindi ka na makapagsalita kasi alam ng katawan mo that you didn't prepare for it.
Yes.
Doon nangyayari yung sabotage.
Mahirap.
But if you really know and you affirm yourself, because sometimes people who are so used to excellence, even if they're already doing such a great job, you don't recognize it. You
You
still
don't.
feel na parang, talaga ba? Magaling ba ako?
Yeah.
doon? Parang normal lang naman.
Or alam niyo lang mga team ko lagi, kunyari award season, kunyari nominee, kasi biko na hindi tayo manalo dyan. Mananalo tong podcast na to kasi mas ganito yan.
Talaga?
Ganyan.
Gumaganon
Ganun ako
ka?
last year.
Wow, okay.
Ngayon, pag nanonominate ako, mananalo tayo
Yan.
na deserve natin.
Because you
Ganun
know
na ako. Kasi
you
alam mo,
put in
Coach
the
V,
work.
wala na, hindi na ako, nandun ako sa point na alam ko yung hard work na nilalabas ko. Alam ko yung dedication ko sa ginagawa ko.
And just tell me, my love, how many episodes have you shot already? Ilan?
I think this is pang 130th na.
See, 130 days
Grabe yung
and shoot
dedication
of showing
ko,
up.
yung pagmamahal ko dito sa inyong lahat. So parang in my mind, it's like, kung hindi ko sasabihin sa sarili ko na deserve ko yung isang bagay,
Who else,
nakitaan ako ng potential eh.
Yeah.
Ba't ko pa sasabihin na hindi ako mananalo? Andun ako eh.
Paano
Diba?
mo masasabing hindi dedication ang nagmo-monologue mag-isa pero nagte-trending? Paano?
Kaya nga sabi ko kay Coach V, deserve ko na to. Iba na.
Deserve mo, my
Kasi
love.
parang feeling ko, kaya tayo nada-down or hindi tayo sanay kumuha ng compliments
Yeah.
from other people is kasi hindi natin ginagawa din sa sarili. We really have to practice affirming ourselves. We at least deserve that.
That's true, that's true.
We cannot keep looking for validation
From other people.
from other people. Nakakapagod siya, Coach V.
Actually, maganda yon, yung affirming, validating yourself. But it's also very different from being, mayabang and like thinking na parang I have
Yes.
nothing to improve. Like you say, like, I'm already great. I know that I prepared for it. So I show up like this. But I also know that there are points for, diba? For
Yeah.
growth pa. Like for example, this one, the awards that you get, like you know that you can even take it bigger and
Yeah.
further if you want it like to be more international and stuff.
Yeah. Tsaka I cannot keep preaching all of these life things and
Yeah.
then I don't
Do anything,
do
diba?
anything about
kaya
it.
Kaya nga, love, nung nawalan nga ako ng love life, sabi ko, oh my God, ang kapal na mukha ko. Lakas kong mag-preach ng love life, diba? But I wasn't getting my love life right, especially when I went out of that marriage.
Yes.
It was like, I thought my career was like going down and it's gonna crash and nobody's gonna even, hire me and
Yeah.
work with me. But, ang bait ni God, kasi bakit biglang parang nag-times 10 and nag-times 100. So sometimes it really, like you just have to reinforce yourself na it's not about my love life. That's why people are coming to me. It's because I give people hope. And through the
Yes.
knowledge that we share, I don't have anything to prove. Whether I'm single or in a relationship, I've got over 100 people who got married because of matchmaking Manila.
Yes.
So yun na lang nire-remind ko,
Tinan
my
mo,
love.
Coach V, validate yourself.
Validate. So that's very aligned with your
Since
point.
madami na tayong napag-usapan about dating, dito naman tayo sa moving on.
Okay. Sige.
Paano na ba nag-move on ng mga tao ngayong 2026? So moving on used to mean deleting photos, avoiding places that remind you of someone. In 2026, what does moving on actually look like now?
So in 2026, if you really want to move on from somebody, you have to create new memories with somebody new.
Ay, iba naman yung advice
Hindi
na
naman.
yon.
Create memories. And just imagine, sino bang nakaabot ng mga tape before? Di ba? Merong wala na. My God, ang babata ng mga guests natin. Hindi nila ano.
Ano yun yung mga binaburn ba yung CD, cassette tape? Ganun ba yun? Yun ba
Alam mo
yun?
yung concept ng overwrite?
Hindi.
My love,
Hindi ko
overwrite.
alam. Ano yung
Yung may
overwrite?
laman na yung CD mo, tapos papatungan mo ng bago para mawala.
Pasabog. Okay.
Yes. Hindi ibig sabihin, hindi na ibig sabihin magpapatong ka ng bago para mawala. No, it's not like that. But it's basically about rewiring your brain. The reason why you are so attached with your ex is because your body and mind just got used to them. They're nobody special. It's just that you got used to their kisses, their laway, their sweat, their hug. Give yourself give yourself a chance to create new memories and it doesn't necessarily mean romantic agad.
Yeah.
Diba? If for example every Saturday night I go on a date with that person is gone. Meron kasi kaming course how to move on in 29 days. In 30 days. 30 days. Kasi
Sign
my
up
love,
na
that's how
kayo.
I moved on from my 8-year relationship.
30 days? Paano yun,
Girl,
Coach
30 days. And I was like, now 8 years na yung nawala sa buhay ko. I cannot afford to spend
Another
3
day.
more months. Another day.
Wow.
Moving
Paano
on.
yun, Coach V? Paano mo ginawa yung 29 days?
So it's actually 30 days, but it follows like a sequence of, and it's backed by research. One of it would be working out every day. Because you know why? At the time when I was so heartbroken, kahit sobrang bigat ng weights na kinakarga ko sa gym, waipik kasi mas masakit yung puso ko eh. Yeah. So next would be,
Baka naman powerlifter na tayo. Tapos yan, Heidelin Diaz sa pala kami. Sabag ang tayo palang pain.
di ba? Parang wala na, mas masakit kasi yung nangyari. Another one would be the food that you eat. If you keep on eating the same things that reminds you of your ex, especially in the first few months, I would avoid the food, the places. Why? Because you don't want every wiring kapag nauulit yung dating ginagawa nyo, the wiring just becomes stronger. The goal is to bring new character, bring new flavors, bring new scents in your life para mawala yung attachment. Attachment kasi yung masakit, hindi naman talaga love. Because you could
Hindi yung
still
tao.
love. Yeah, you could still love
I
that
agree
person
with
from
that.
a distance. But you are so in pain because you are so attached to that person.
Pero if maalala nyo, if you really think about your ex, you don't really think about the person. You think about the memories.
The feeling.
Diba? Yung feeling or hindi technically yung tao eh.
Yes.
Parang iba pa, minsan pag naiisip pa yung tao, parang naiinis ka pa eh. Pero pag naalala mo yung memories, doon ka naiiyak. Doon ka parang, ay, nagre-reminisce ako today. Yung parang
nakakamiss yung ganong feeling.
Yun yung nami-miss mo.
Yes.
Kasi parang, yung tao, alam mo na yung ginawa sa'yo ng tao.
Diba?
Pero parang there's some memories masarap to look back on because you've missed the feeling that it once made you feel.
Yes,
But
my love.
you don't really want to go back to the person.
See, and that takes wisdom to acknowledge that you don't miss the person, that you just miss the feeling.
Yeah.
And in that How to Move On in 30-Day course, there's a section there where we do a practice. It's called negative appraisal. Ano sabihin ng negative appraisal? You have to list dalawang column. One, list 10 things that you don't like about the relationship and list 10 things that you don't like about the person.
Oh.
Because once you broke up with somebody,
10 lang?
you have more.
Para madami ako masusulat
Pwede,
dyan.
the more, the better. Because you're trying to, it's all about rewiring your brain. Telling your brain, he's not perfect, the relationship wasn't perfect. Just be realistic about it. Pero kasi when you are moving on, your brain tricks you, thinking like, oh, he could have been the one. He could have been the one, hindi nga mabayaran yung first date nyo. Paano naging the one yun? Paano pa nagkapamilya kayo? Ikaw na mag-alaga sa bata, ikaw pa di ba? So,
Ikaw na nag-ire, ikaw pa nagbayad.
Absolutely.
Good job.
Parang ikaw lang maggumawa. Kayong dalawa lang naman, di ba? And it's funny, like we talk about this, but Philippines is one of, if not the top country with the highest number of single moms. Why is that, my love? Di ba? Bakit ganon? Why do women choose to be single moms just than to be with the...
Sinagot ng mami ko yan. Tinanong ko yan sa kanya.
Ano daw?
Ang sabi ng mom ko, buti na lang daw na she raised us by herself.
No, kasi...
Kesa to have a partner na hindi good for us.
Okay. And that's just exactly like that dating in 2026. We'd rather be alone than be with somebody who does not bring value in our life.
Yeah. Kasi every time I ask my mom this, ang sinagot sa akin lagi ng mom ko is, if meron siyang biggest mistake, is yun nga, ano siya talaga, marupok siya sa love. So ang nangyayari doon is, ang naging collateral damage is kami, mga bata. So ang ina-advise sa ngayon is, kung magpapakasal kayo na alam nyo na magiging mabuting tatay sa mga anak nyo.
Yes.
Kasi kapag hindi sila mabuting na-trauma mo na eh. Naghiwalay na kayo, diba? Nag-away na kayo. Tapos, iba kasi yung good partner and good father. Kaiba yun. There are some people that are good fathers but are bad partners.
Correct.
And there are some naman that are good partners but not good fathers. So,
Absolutely.
there are some. So, pick your hard. So, kung dapat ka na sa bad partner, sana naman, isa sa quality niya is good father.
Good father man lang, no?
Kasi
You're
tied
so
kayo
right.
for life eh. May
You're
mga anak kayo eh.
Absolutely, you're so right. I think I've heard this from you when you said that when you pick like the wrong partner, pwede mo kasi silang i-divorce, pwede mo silang
Yeah.
i-annulled.
Yeah.
Pero kapag may anak ka, your
Hindi
anak
yun.
are forever tied to them.
Exactly.
They're the ones who's gonna suffer the most.
Always. Kasi ikaw nakaalis ka na eh.
Oo,
diba?
diba?
Kung naghiwalay kayo ng asawa mo, nakaalis ka na. You won't have to deal with this person again unless it's about the kids.
Right.
But your kids have to absorb yung
100%.
galit ng dalawang pamilya, dalawang tao, yung back and forth, the trauma.
And not only that, your kids absorb the bad genetics.
Always.
And I think that's
Yeah.
that's the worst part because you have to fight that in you. You have
Yeah.
to consciously train yourself for that not to come out.
Yeah. Tsaka may misconception din kasi ngayon, Coach V, that staying together para sa mga kids. So, minsan, oo naman.
Dati, usong-uso kasi
Uso
talaga
talaga
yan.
yun. Pero kasi
Grabe.
ngayon, nare-realize ko na, okay, so you're gonna stay for the kids, pero away kayo na away everyday sa harap ng mga bata. Ang sakit nyo magsalita sa isa't isa. So, ang ginagawa nyo ngayon, pinapakita nyo sa mga bata kung anong klaseng love ang dapat nilang...
Absolutely.
Yun ang blueprint.
And yes, it becomes a blueprint. And when they get old, when somebody is challenge at them, showing them love, they were like, oh, that's not love. Kasi
Yeah.
ang love para sa
Dito
akin,
yung love na nasanay ako.
tampuhan, suntukan, insultuhan. Because that's the blueprint. 100%.
Kaya sabi ko parang, it's easier said than done. I believe that. Like, I mean, to each his own. But I think I just believe that huwag na siyang gamitin excuse sometimes. Kasi kung dahil lang pala para sa mga anak nyo, kasi ayaw nyo maging malungkot yung mga anak nyo, ayaw nyo sila matrauma, I'm sorry, pero mas natutrauma yung mga bata.
Right. And science have shown
Yeah.
that the kids absorb the happiness level of mothers. That's why I'm a science-based dating coach because I do have personal opinion, but as much as possible, I try to kind of like set that aside and say, what does the data say? Mas maganda ba talaga that unhappy parents stay married or it's better that they separate?
Yeah.
Because totoo yung sabi niya, na-absorb ng bata at kung ang nanay ay miserable, the children, and you can look this up based on research, grow up unhappy.
Yeah.
Unhappy
Kaya nga ang mga nanay, ilaw ng tahanan, di ba? So once magmamatay yung ilaw na yon, brown out ang buong bahay. Sipin nyo
Okay.
na lang, di ba?
Yes.
Sino magbabayad ng Meralco?
Sino ba dapat nagbabayad ng
O di ba yung
Meralco?
nanay na naman?
Nanay na. Ikaw na nga
Anak ng
nag-ilaw.
pati, ikaw na nga
pa
ilaw.
magbabayad.
Ikaw pa nagbayad na disconnection. Kakaloka. Pero I mean,
Grabe.
that's what I mean. Na parang naano siya, Nalagi ako nababash dito every time nagiging topic to sa Beritol. But I always stand by that kasi ganun yung naging life namin.
Yeah.
That's 13 years of my mom's life. O 14.
Yeah.
And sa lahat ng mga kapatid ko, ako yung may may utak nung time na yun. Kasi ilang taon na ako nun.
Oh, so you were
Diba?
already
So,
aware of
na-witness
what's
ko
happening.
lahat. Like, lahat. Alam mo, there was one time, magkakasama kami, tapos nagulat yung nanay ko sa akin sa level ng memorya ko. As in, like,
As a child.
nag-uusap-usap kami lahat kung nakailang bahay na kami, napangalanan ko lahat ng bahay namin. And ang dami namin naging bahay, ha. As in, sabi ng mom ko, Dan, grabe yung memory mo. As in, nagkaroon ng isang trigger question na nabukas yung secret box sa mind ko na naalala ko
Gotcha.
lahat ng memory. As in, Mom, naalala mo yung time na ganito, time na ganito. Alam mo yung nanay ko natahimik. As in, nagulat siya
That you
na
remember.
naalala ko lahat yun.
Yeah.
Or gising pala ako nung time na yun. Or narinig ko pala yun. Alam mo yun, yung gulat na gulat siya.
So would you say that you have a traumatic childhood?
Oo.
Okay, so how are you trying for those people who I've had that too? And for all of you who are, like, how are you trying to manage that so it does not like re-manifest in your own love life? Is there any tricks and tips that you could share for people who didn't have the best childhood?
I think the difference lang is that I already knew that hindi yun yung life na gusto ko.
Na gusto mo, buti na.
Parang early on in my life, sabi ko na sa sarili ko na this is not the life I want to attract. Kasi our mom is everything to us eh. So pag nakikita namin siya na, transparent kasi yung mom ko. So pag nakikita namin talaga siya na falling apart or hindi masaya or mute or, you know, it's for me, it's the most painful thing to watch. So sabi ko, like, I never want to feel that way. Kaya,
Gotcha.
pero ang kinabagsakan naman dun is majority kaming magkakapatid na babae. Ano kami, very dominant. Yung talagang malakas yung character
Is
and
that
personality.
because of parang is it a protective mechanism
Survival.
para hindi na ma-abuse
Yeah.
katulad nung nagawa sa
Parang ayaw mong maka-attract ng men that could possibly
do that
to
thing
you.
to you.
So
Ayun.
you tend to always show that I'm strong. You can't do this to me, you can't talk to me like this. Pero parang nare-realize ko na kapag you're surviving way too long,
Oo.
you also feel na parang, okay, I also need to be soft sometimes.
Babe, nakakapagod to be on survive and
Nakakapagod.
laging to be on the guard. Like, is that what life is about? To be
Yeah.
always on the guard?
So
It's
parang there are
tiring.
times pag super saya mo na, magsa-stop ka sa sarili mo, it's like, oh wait, but I have to go back to my life again. Yung escape mo, hindi nagiging, dapat kasi bahay mo yung escape mo eh. Ang nangyayari ngayon, naghahanap ka ng escape
sa labas.
sa labas. Kasi naka-survival mode ka dito eh.
Gotcha.
Pero pag nag-escape ka, pupunta ka sa ibang lugar, feeling mo, wala kang inhibitions, wala kang iniisip.
Oo.
So escape yun.
Kaya my love, merong mga tao na kapag hindi nakainom, very calm and collected.
Kaya maraming
Pero,
maoy.
pag nakainom, yan na dyan na lumalabas kung ano talaga yung gusto niyang i-put out in the world kapag walang walls and inhibitions. And it could be a good thing or it could be a bad thing. But parang don't you wish na sana how you are when you are drunk, na nagiging ikaw talaga? Sana tayo
Ganun,
yun on a daily
yes.
basis. Hindi takot ma-judge pag nakainom. So I
Oo.
invite you guys to be like that.
To get drunk.
Hindi, don't get drunk.
I-invite ko
Dani
kayo
naman.
magwalwal.
I invite you to live life as if you are drunk every day.
Wag namang OA ha.
But do not drink without the alcohol. And you know what, my love? Like, what's fantastic about dating right now, and this is one of the things that we teach, the more natatakot kang sabihin sa lalaki yung non-negotiable or sa babae yung non-negotiable mo, the more you should go for it. Because you'll feel it in your gut when somebody's taking you out on a date and you're scared to tell your truth. That means your nervous system is telling you, hindi ka kasi masyado gusto ng lalaki. Kaya nagdadalawang isip ka. But if you know na patay sa'yo yung lalaki, gustong-gusto, nagiging free ka. Nagiging free ka mag-express ng mga. So I invite you to just tell your truth. If your non-negotiable is I want a man, even if I'm successful, I want a man who's gonna take care of me, say it. It does not make you a gold digger. It makes you a woman who with a standard. That means you understand the feminine, masculine dynamic. Because you don't have to be a rich man. You just have to be a man who takes pride that you're leading your family. If that's your standard. If yung standard mo naman, hindi, Coach V, I feel so good talaga when I lead the family and I finance and I do everything until I'm
O di
tired.
girl, go get it.
Go for
Diba?
it.
Go fit. O,
Yeah,
ito na.
yan.
Tawagin na natin ang ating mahiwagang pastillas.
Let's go. May laman ba talagang
Okay.
pastillas in every question?
May laman to, Coach V.
Ah,
Malaman. Feeling ko lang.
Akala ko
O,
may
ito.
reward. Every question answered, pastillas.
O, pwede. Next time.
Sige.
Okay.
Okay,
Aside
game.
from online apps, where do I find someone to date? Ayan na.
Yun nga yung
Where
tanong
is my
kanina.
market?
Ayan.
Ay.
Maganda yung tanong. Actually, nakita nyo, like, who's following Coach V online? Matchmaker Philippines, okay?
Ah.
You have Singles Events Manila, Matchmaking Manila. So, one of the ways that we do successful matches is dapat yung market mo, yung lalaki or yung babaeng hinahanap mo, ikaw din ang hinahanap. Because kapag ganito, gustong-gusto mo ng guy na successful, super good-looking, super whatever, pero nandito yung value mo, it's not gonna turn into a match. But we don't wanna tell people na, babaan mo yung standards mo. Nobody wants to be told that.
Yeah.
So what we do is, if you really want that kind of quality woman and quality guy, then you have to raise your
Standards or level up.
dating. You have to level up. You have to understand what is valuable to the opposite gender.
May point.
Okay? So saan mo mahahanap yung market mo? The question is, gusto mo ng very successful man, pero nandyan ka sa gilid-gilid na bar.
Oh, or habang
Does not
sinasabi
make
mo
sense.
yon, nakahiga ka at nakahilata sa bahay.
It does not
Good
make
for
sense.
you. Nakaka-attract ka talaga ng ubod ng yaman sa ginagawa
Diba?
mo. Sabayan mo ng pagkain ng fries.
Yes.
Para talagang maganda na yung picture.
Absolutely.
Diba? Sumunod ka ng Netflix buong araw.
Right.
Ka-attract ka talaga.
You want a man or a woman who's into fitness, but you don't even understand like what, for example, like contrast therapy is, cold plunge. This is the lifestyle of the man that you want. You have to be in their world. What does that mean? Kung nag-i-invest ka nga sa kaka-online shopping, but hindi ka nag-i-invest sa love life mo, bakit hindi ka pumunta sa mga places wherein doon nag-hangout yung partner mo? Bakit takot na takot ka sa paid subscription ng dating app kung gusto mo ng guy na feeling mo ba yung mga mayayaman na guy naka-free subscription? Hindi, naka
Yung Spotify pala. Hindi, ayun na yung Spotify, free. May ads.
yeah, so what I'm saying is it takes standards to meet standards.
Pero Coach V, hindi ba siya lumalabas sa performative pagka ganon? Kasi hindi naman ikaw yun. Pero inaano mo yung sarili mo to be that kind of person. Hindi ba siya nagiging parang pretentious na at saka performative na hindi ka naman talaga nagko-cold plunge, all of a sudden cold plunge ka na. Or hindi ka naman talaga kumakain na steak, pero all of a sudden medium rare, gumagano ka na. Diba? Or dati di ka naman nagmamatcha, biglang matcha latte. Parang pretentious, Coach V.
Tapos ibubuga mo sa CR kasi hindi mo kaya yung
isusuka
paet.
mo mamaya.
Diba?
Feeling ko
Yeah.
ang pretentious. Ganun ba yon? Or kailangan conscious effort talaga na le-level up ka?
The question is, sabi mo, di ba, kung hindi naman ikaw yun, the question is, bakit?
Yun yung hinahanap
Who
mo.
are you ba talaga?
Ay.
Who
Naku,
are you
mas
ba
mahirap
talaga?
sagutin yan, Coach V.
Aren't you the type of person with a growth mindset? Because people who have growth mindset do not really stick to one definition of them. If I became just me when I was on 20s, I would never have what I have right now.
Mm-hmm.
Because who you are right now may not be your best version yet. Do you want to die in that version?
No.
Or you want to die seeing na, ay, may kinaganda pa pala ako.
Meron pa tayong igaganda.
May kina-high standards pa pala. Kaya ko naman palang ma-in love or kaya ko naman pala magpa-in love ng taong high value. So I think, do not be too attached to who you are. Always ask, like, how can I do better? So when you have that mindset, you also attract people who is trying themselves to do better. And these are the people who tries to exercise kahit ang hirap-hirap.
Yeah, ako
These are
yun.
the people who tries to eat good food kahit ang mahal-mahal ng salad or vegetable, 'di ba? So again, it takes standards to meet standards. So ask yourself, where are the
My
people
standards.
where are my standards?
Where are my standards? Parang wala lang ako
To
standards.
answer that question is with a question.
With
as well.
another question.
So
Ito na.
create an archetype of this is the man that I want. Saan siya nag-hangout? Anong kinakain niya? Anong habits niya? And the question is, can I be that person? Because the truth is, birds with the same feather flock together.
Ay.
Even backed by research.
Ito, Coach V, malaman talaga.
Ayan. palaki ng palaki.
Palaki
naman
ng palaki yung pastillas.
mo,
What if I don't believe in love anymore? Oh my God, ang sakit naman ito. Okay ka lang? Sumahag kita.
You don't believe in love? I don't believe you because if you do not believe in love, you won't be here. This is the heart.
Oh! Happy birthday!
Let me just tell you that the Bear It All podcast today had 3 sessions. Merong heart,
Mind, and soul.
Eh, ba't nandito ka sa heart?
Ah! May pag-asa pa yung heart mo, sis. Laban mo yan. Buksan mo yan!
And the fact that you're here, I think you just wanna hear and you just wanna see hope again. I think you believe in love. You just need clarity. Paano nga ba? Because sometimes when you feel na I don't know how to get there, ayoko na nga lang.
Yeah.
Give up agad, girl.
Parang ang hirap, ayoko na.
Ay, diba? Ang
Mentality
hirap,
naman ng
ayoko
tao
na.
yun eh. Pag mahirap, ayaw na. Hindi mo pa nga sinusubukan.
Yes. So I think one thing that I hope that you're taking away from this is the more you get nervous, the more it seems like it's hard, the more
Do
you have
it.
to go for it.
Just do it.
Takot ka magmahal, mag-practice ka munang mag-boyfriend lang kasi mamaya dyan, yung mga, ganun kasi ako before, yung never had a boyfriend. The reason why I don't wanna be in a relationship is because takot kasi akong magkamali. And many of the people who doesn't want to be in a relationship right now kasi sobrang overly protective ng heart. So try it a little, like give love a little bit of chance. If it doesn't work, hindi naman kayo mamamatay pag nag-break kayo. Break ka. But you have to experience love because love is the most beautiful human experience. To die not to experience love is like, dude, like life
Dying
is so
10 times over.
Absolutely. And we're all going to die. The question is, sorry it gets so dark.
Magmahal ka na muna.
Magmahal ka muna kasi ang sarap talaga. Promise, ang sarap talaga.
Parang gusto mong magmahal pag si Coach V nagsasabi. No? Kasi ang sarap. Parang commercial eh. No? Next.
Sarap.
How will I know if I'm ready to commit again? Sabog.
Wow. So I think you'll know when you're ready to commit again when you have something to give. May ibibigay ka or naghahanap ka lang ng love life kasi kailangan mo ng kakapitan.
Eh kasi I believe every after a relationship, nauubos ka.
Oh, kaya
Diba?
kailangan mag-recharge.
Kaya kailangan mo mag-recharge. Kung hindi ka pa recharged, hindi mo feel ready ka. Kasi ubos ka pa eh. Low-bat ka pa. Kasi I feel like nararamdaman mo pag gusto mo na mag-commit, yung kapag na-collect mo na ulit yung sarili mo,
Diba?
you already picked up the pieces, so you're ready again to start anew with someone.
Correct.
But if you're like fully drained battery na hindi, as in like low-bat ka na,
Yeah.
matatakot ka talaga mag-commit kasi papasok ka doon dark. You're coming in dark eh. Yung parang hindi mo alam kung paano ina-navigate yun kasi kahit ikaw nga sa sarili mo, hindi mo alam yung nangyayari.
Yeah.
So I feel like ready ka mag-commit kapag sure ka na sa sarili mo na you're collected.
Yes. Ready ka na mag-connect kapag sure ka you're connected.
Ready ka na ulit magbigay ng, ako kasi I
Something
believe when
to-
you love someone, you always give them a piece of yourself.
Ang sarap talaga ni Danny magmahal.
Diba? Hindi pera, pero wala.
Kasi naman,
Ganun talaga
Danny.
eh. Lumalabas talaga yung pera eh. Pero,
Kasi, my love, let's talk a little bit about money. Because some
Patay.
people, you're like, love. You're just, you look at it as money. Like, money is not necessarily the only thing about love. But I'm telling you, when you love somebody, you would want to give them their money.
Yeah.
Your money. Why? Because you know that's a hard-earned money and that's limited.
Yes.
And when I love, that's why I know that when somebody loves somebody, they're generous. Alam mo kung bakit? I feel that towards my lola. I feel that
Me
towards
too.
my mom. I feel that towards my brothers.
yes. Ganyan ako sa lahat ng mga
Even if
kapatid
I have
ko kahit mas
little,
mayaman
like
sa akin.
I
Bigay ako ng bigay. Why not? Mahal ko eh.
even if I don't have like much, like I am more than happy to spend that on people that I love. Because again, it's not about the money. It's knowing that sila yung happiness mo eh.
Yes.
Where the money goes, that's where the happiness
Happiness
lies.
is.
That's why I'm always say, kapag hindi ka nalilibre, ultimo man lang, ibig sabihin, iba ang happiness niya. Hindi ikaw yun.
Ayan na, bumabalik na naman yung ating viral clip.
Oo nga.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Can love survive without trust? No.
Yes. Why?
It's a no.
Yes, I agree with you
Why
because...
will you be in a relationship with someone you don't trust? Gusto mo bang natutulog kang dilat?
Oo, di ba
Gusto mo
tutulog
bang
ka-
forever ka na lang namamatay sa anxiety, panic attacks?
Yes.
Or constantly, kunyari, katabi mo lang, tumitingin na cellphone.
And if you don't
Kulang,
trust...
giraffe ka na.
Yeah, if you don't trust somebody, you can be sleeping and you don't even know if they're gonna stab you in your sleep. You don't trust the person, no?
Oh.
That's the main core of love is safety. Now, when you feel safe with that person, kaya nga we call each other baby,
Yeah.
baby.
Safe space.
Because you feel that you're safe, di ba? So without trust, how can safety exist? You don't feel safe with that person because you don't even know if they have your best interest. For example, another anecdote that was shared to me before is coming to me saying, you know what, Coach V, I'm getting sick. I'm having this parang mga sexual something. And I was like, what's happening? I was like, no, my partner is loyal. Sabi ko, sure ka? Anong sabi ng doktor? Well, the doctor said that there's another something that messed their stuff. Kaya ganon. But sabi niya, no, my partner is loyal. Ako, sure ka? O sure daw siya. O after 6 months,
Naghiwalay.
nalaman. Yes, hiwalay na. Anong nalaman? During their marriage, that's why she keeps on getting sick. It's because she was doubting herself. Sabi niya, baka I have something wrong. Baka ako. Baka dun sa
Oh,
mga
no.
inuupuan kong mga CR or whatever.
Oh, no.
Yun pala, they've found out, and ngayon hiwalay na. They found out that the husband has been sleeping around. That's why she was getting all this like sickness. So if you do not trust that person, your health is gonna suffer. You're not only your love life. So it's hard to be with somebody that you don't fully trust because they don't have your best interest.
Wow.
They're gonna get you sick. They're gonna get you broke. They're eventually going to be the reason why you're gonna die sooner than later. So pick a good partner.
Yes. Oh my God.
Ang lalim nun ah.
Is love enough to make things work for us? No.
Bakit?
I'm a no girl
Yes,
now.
yes, yes. So
Gusto
on
mo
top
yun?
of love, what else is needed?
I feel like love is not enough. Because kung love lang pala ang sagot sa lahat, edi sana lahat tayo, di ba? Parang wala tayong problema sa buhay. But I feel like a relationship consists of a lot of things kasi.
Like?
Someone can love you, but doesn't really see you or hindi ka naman heard, hindi ka naman valued. Mahal ka niya kasi nandiyan ka eh. Yung parang you've been in a relationship for so long or you're in a
Gotcha.
relationship. So, there's already a notion that you love the person.
Gotcha.
But ako kasi for a relationship to work, there has to be one communication. I have
Okay.
to feel safe in that relationship.
Kailangan din ba ng pera?
Sana naman. Kasi lahat naman tayo kailangan ng pera. Oh my God. Okay. Or
Love will keep us alive.
yes, 'di ba? Or like kailangan ko din naman na dapat kilala ko inside and out also. What makes me cry, what makes me laugh, what makes me angry. Like I don't lie, I really nakaka-turn off sa akin yung mga tao that are so parang confident. Kasi nakuha ka na nila. Overconfident sila.
Complacent ang tawag
sila.
doon.
Na parang
Yes.
nakuha ko na so hindi na ako mag-e-effort. But, di ba ang sabi nga nila, in a relationship, it's a conscious effort. You have to, every day, you have to consistently work on this
Totoo yun.
relationship.
Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi habang tumatagal kayo, wala na yung mga love chemicals, love hormones na nagkukos ng kilig-kilig. Wala na yung novelty kasi bago. So doon pumapasok yung work. You know what? Before, I used to have that mindset as well. Like, I don't think like love is enough. Which is totoo. Love, yung kanta na love will keep us alive, I don't believe in that. But this is what I believe right now. True love will keep us alive. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi kung true love yan, hindi ka tatamarin eh. Sisipagin ka
Tama.
eh. Kung true love yan, talagang magiging intentional ka, talagang magko-communicate ka, talagang magpo-put in ka ng effort. Kasi totoong pagmamahal. Pero kung fake love, yan na yung parang, ego boost lang. Nakuha ko na, okay na.
Or hindi. Kasi kung love is the answer to everything, how come sometimes letting go of someone is also love?
Oh, that's true. No?
Diba?
Loving them from
What if
from
loving them
afar?
from afar, or you're also letting the person go? So I don't think love is sagot siya sa lahat ng bagay. Sometimes love could be, for me it's subjective. It could be a lot of things. Yes, it will help make it work, but it's not the only solution to make it work.
So, Danny, if there's one thing, isa lang, one word lang that will make things work besides love, what do you think will make relationships work?
I think
Is it sex, money, or communication? Or-
communication.
Communication
for me.
talaga.
And ako, honestly, emotional intelligence.
Wow,
Like,
ang dami na.
if-
Kaya,
Yeah. You gotta stack it up. Kasi
Yeah.
parang for me, it's like kung walang emotional intelligence ang isang tao,
okay, example ng
Ah.
lalaking may emotional intelligence.
example ng lalaking may emotional intelligence, siguro kapag meron kang sinishare or meron, kunyari nagsasabi ka ng sama ng loob,
Okay.
kunyari nasaktan ka niya,
Yes.
andun siya sa, okay, how do we make this work? How
Okay.
can I make it better?
Better. And that's the most important line.
Diba?
How can I make it
How can I make it better? Where did we go wrong? How can we fix this? I think that's a guy or a girl that has emotional intelligence.
Pag walang emotional intelligence,
Ginagaslight ka.
anong sasabihin sa'yo?
Siguro sasabihin sa, ano mo sasabihin na parang, nararamdaman mo lang yan kasi ganito.
Wala ka lang tulog, gutom
Oo,
ka lang.
wala ka lang tulog. Or sabihin niya,
Nagkaka-period ka kasi.
ayan ka na naman, ang drama mo na naman. Yan. Dahil mo sinasabi, parang, ayan ka naman, naghahanap ka na naman ng away. Mga ganyan. Or, walang emotional intelligence. Or, kunyari magsasorry lang para lang matapos yung away.
Ay, oo. Pero wala yung how can I make it
Walang
up
how
to
can
you.
I make it up to you.
Oo, so
Bukas,
dapat-
iba na naman. Ganun na naman.
So, dapat nakalagay na yan sa mga list natin, my love, ha? Emotional intelligence. Not gaslighter, not manipulation.
Not, yes.
Okay, that's...
Emotional intelligence. Tama ba ako doon,
I
Coach
love-
V? Pwede na ba akong mag-intern sa'yo?
Babe,
Gusto mo ba yun?
wonderful. That's also the reason why more and more in the next 10, 20 years,
Ay,
no, it has been
ganda to.
predicted that more women will stay single. Because before, ang requirement lang natin sa lalaki is kailangan may maayos na trabaho.
Oh.
That was the time wherein every man, kapag may resources siya, may trabaho siya, nakakahanap ng asawa. Ngayon, dapat may maayos na trabaho, dapat may bahay at lupa, dapat may EQ, may IQ, may LQ, lahat na.
Ang dami ng Q.
it is a hard time for even men to find love nowadays. Kasi lahat tayo, we became smarter also in choosing
Or,
love.
people got so comfortable with situationships.
Ay, the situation.
Because it's more convenient.
Yes. Pero my love,
Less
I'm telling
commitment.
you, lugi kayo pag
O,
nag-situationship
diba? Alam mo,
kayo.
takil ko na sinasabi yan dito sa podcast na to.
Lugi kayo,
Lugi talaga
girl.
kayo sa situationships. Walang panalo dyan talaga
Walang
eh.
panalo dyan. Ang mananalo lang dyan, yung maraming ka-situationship.
Oo, yung marami. Oo nga.
Oo, kasi situationship, walang commitment eh. So,
Huwag ka makipag-situationship kapag ikaw mag-isa lang siya. Kasi, paano kung limay sa kanya, isa lang sa'yo?
Hindi naman natin nare-recommend
Hala,
na
competition pala.
Hindi na, we're not recommending that you enter multiple situationship. But what I'm telling you is, if you are in a situationship, pag nasagasaan ka, nabanggaan ka, na ospital ka, they are not even required to bring you to the hospital and finance for you or take care of you. Bakit? Boyfriend mo ba siya?
Oh,
Girlfriend
shit.
ka ba niya? What if na sagasaan ka, nasagasaan din yung isang nililigawan ka situationship niya?
Oh no!
Oh, diba?
What's the basis? Sino pupuntahan ko?
Yeah,
Char. Okay,
So,
next.
hindi
Ito
ikaw
naman.
priority.
Maganda to. What are you willing to sacrifice in the name of love? What are you willing to sacrifice? Freedom? Wala na ko freedom. What am I willing to sacrifice ba?
Sinong nakapanood ng previous episodes ko before with Danny?
Oo, yung
Wala?
episode namin
Oh,
ni Coach V.
Yeah, some of you. So you know that I've sacrificed my career on my 20s for love, right? And if I'm going to be asked, would you sacrifice your career again now? I would not do it again. Alam niyo kung bakit? Because when you meet somebody who's really aligned with you, like they're going to support you, hindi nila kailangan magpapili. That fact pala na kailangan kong pumili at that time, it was already a bad signal. I should have seen that. But like in my head, love guru ko eh. Dapat sinusunod ko yung puso ko eh. Sinunod ko talaga.
Ah.
Pero, blessing in disguise, nawalan man ako ng US career at the time, I've gained so much more. And what I'm saying is, like, if I look at the partner that I have before, compared to the partner that I have now,
Ganda mo talaga,
It's-
Coach.
it's
Sabog
10 to
ka
100
talaga,
times
Coach V.
better. So, it's okay. You can keep the career.
Oh, ganda. Coach V, engaged ka na ba? Yung totoo, Coach V, engaged ka na ba? Malapit na. Malapit na, Coach
My
V.
loves.
Kakasal ka na?
Abangan at the end of the year.
Ay, Coach V, invited ako
Oo naman, my
Gusto ko
love.
yun, inibitay sa
May
sarili.
corner ka doon, the
Sabi
Bear It
ko,
All
Coach V,
podcast.
oh my God, I'm so happy for you.
My love, syempre, that's when you got married in the Philippines, sometimes the institution will not make it easy for you to be
Yeah.
out of that marriage, but it doesn't mean that you cannot fall in love again, and it doesn't mean that you cannot plan a life with a new person. Papel lang yan eh. Plan your life with the next person because once the paper is done, dude, the moment that annulment gets signed, goodbye, Philippines.
Hello,
Yeah.
Italia. Aba, may plano. Hello,
Italia.
Europe.
Italia talaga.
Okay, next.
That's for the our listeners and viewers na hanggang ngayon feeling nila they're so tied in love from their previous partner because of paper. Papel lang yan, guys. You can build a life with a new person and until that paper comes out. Just saying.
Amen. Hallelujah. Okay, next. Now, how do you let go of anger, bitterness of not being chosen for the long haul? Iniwan siya.
Bakit? Yung hindi pumili sa'yo, sure ka ba yun na talaga ang gusto mo?
You see, yan din ang sasabihin ko eh.
O, sakit na
Bakit
sakit
ka?
ka na
Bakit?
iniwan ka. Bakit? High value ba yung nang iwan sa'yo? Kawalan ba talaga yun? Malay mo naman, there's somebody better. You're gonna land a better mate. Just like what I'm saying, di ba? When I was in that relationship, 8 years, sabi ko, oh my God, nobody was gonna love me again. Nobody's gonna give me this much flowers. And that was my mindset when I
Yeah.
lost that 8-year relationship. But dude, in my 30s, I have never been given flowers, gifts, love, attention, and care as much as I ever had on 30. So, hindi totoo na peak nyo yung 20s.
May ipipik pa pala tayo.
May ipipick pa yan. You could find quality mates even later on in your life because you're smarter na that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or I feel like sometimes the bitterness comes from ego din sa atin. Or
Talk to us
one
about
is
it.
ego and one is like, bakit hindi ako? Parang bakit lahat naman binigay ko? Lahat naman ginawa ko? Minahal ko naman ng tama. Bakit hindi ako? Bakit siya? Siyempre,
May ganon, no?
may ganun ka talaga.
Yes.
That's part of the bitterness.
Hindi mo tama yung sabi mo, hindi mo kawalan na hindi ikaw yung pinili. Because
Yeah.
just going back, I have a crush sa professor ko nung high school ako. But now, looking at, like right now, pag niligawan ako ng professor ko, I was like, Lord God, thank you so much, hindi naging kami.
May ano talaga.
May mga heartbreak na blessing.
Yes.
May mga heartbreak na blessing.
I
guys.
actually, now, I see that every heartbreak is a blessing. Like, I would...
Lakas maka-yes. Oh, yes.
I would
Yes,
say,
more heartbreak.
right? Like, I would say it's a blessing because
Paano naging blessing ang heartbreak sa'yo, my love?
now that I think about it and the life that I have now, it's a blessing. Lahat ng mga heartbreaks in the past. Kasi kung hindi ako na-heartbroken doon, ibig sabihin nag-stay ako sa ganong klaseng relationship.
oo.
Hinayaan ko yung sarili ko malugmok, malungkot, masaktan ng ganong katagal na panahon. So parang the fact na nag-end yun is because kailangan niya mag-end para may panibagong chapter sa buhay ko. So kung ititigil ko sa isang chapter, hindi na ako makakasulat ng libro.
Correct.
Pag hindi ako nakasulat ng libro, paano na yun? Ano, chapter 1 na lang? Forever? Ayoko, dami ko pang chapters.
So if you feel that your ex is kawalan, if you feel that, oh sayang talaga yun, Coach V, nasasabi mong sayang kasi hindi ka pa nag-aapam. Ay, joke lang. Biro lang. Hindi, joke lang. Nasasabi mong sayang kasi you're not opening yourself up enough to the world. Okay?
Maganda to kasi very reasonable tong question. Any advice sa mga couple who tried to invest properties during boyfriend-girlfriend relationship? Is it a good idea to come up with that decision?
To invest in
properties
properties.
kapag mag-boyfriend-girlfriend pa lang.
Okay, well, only
Or businesses.
Yes, only invest in properties, in businesses when whoever wants it has to put in more than the other person. Because what you're going to try to avoid is there are people who don't have the resources but they want to invest and they ask you to put it in. Ano ka
Tas
nun?
kukunin nila pag
Tas kukunin
naghiwalay.
Pag naghiwalay, kukunin. No. So if you want to invest, you either ask them, do equal shares, make sure everything is documented.
Yeah.
Because you know what? Everything is, that's why I believe in prenup. Because do the prenup when things are
Good.
good. Don't do a prenup when everything's
things are
bad.
bad,
Because
yeah.
it may go bad. At least you are protected. Because when people are no longer in love, they actually, some of them turn out to be mean to each other.
Yes,
I don't
they turn on
understand
each
that part.
other.
Yes, I mean, why are you fighting the woman that you used to make love with? Numuluhod ka pa dyan. Tapos ngayon, inaaway mo na? Man, what happened to your
nako.
brain?
Yeah.
Diba?
Wala, nawala sa pera.
Yeah, you used to adore that woman a lot and now what are you doing? Diba? So do it, do the papers if you wanna invest together early on when things are good. Kasi pag hindi na in love yan, kukunin yan lahat sa iyo. Lalo na kapag may resentment.
Ato, Coach V, I'm 47, never married, no kids. How do I keep myself interesting for my target market? Ang ganda ng question.
Yeah, ang ganda. Mag-training ka. That's
Under
number
Coach V.
one. Yeah, of course, and of course you're free to join us, but you can just even study it on your own because the reason why you're so good at your job, being an engineer, being a doctor, being a lawyer, is you've put in the 10,000 hours, but I don't think you've studied love and dating enough. How to choose the right, how to present yourself, how to know if a man or a woman is gaslighting you and manipulating you. These are basic, dapat this should have been taught in school.
Na totoo lang, ano bang algebra
How
yan?
to
Nagamit
choose.
ba natin yan? Diyos ko naman.
The-
Kailan natin nagamit yung algebra? Sabi mo nga sa never ko nagamit yung x squared in my
I
life.
know, like what's that?
Kakaloka. Kung tinuruan nyo na lang kami sa love eh.
Pag tinanong kayo ng anong square root ng 25, di ba madali na lang ng 5? Pero may chat GPT na naman, ba't kailangan pa isipin yun, di ba? But what could have been taught in school is like how to choose like a better mate, because if you fail in choosing right in dating, you will suffer in the relationship. But if you choose well in dating, the relationship maintenance becomes easy.
Maganda tong last question sa'yo, Coach V. In a world where we are encouraged to be proactive in dating, is it there still potential for two naturally shy people to develop a relationship organically? If yes, what usually helps that kind of relationship move forward? It's a nice question.
Always remember, we attract our kind. When it comes to energy, when it comes to language, to speaking, how we show up to the world. So if you show up to the world prepared, you show up to the world, confident, you also tend to attract people who knows your language. Di ba? Kapag nagko-contrast therapy ka, pag binanggit niya contrast therapy, you guys connect.
Yeah.
You belong in that same world. If they start talking about fasting, and you know what fasting is because you fast as well, you guys connect. If you talk about secure attachment, and he also understands what secure attachment and love means, you guys connect. But you will not be able to connect if you don't know their reality. So what I'm saying is, study what healthy relationship is, because especially with people who have so much bad background in their family, you have to rewire your brain. Isipin nyo, I have to be exposed in what healthy love is. Huwag kayo sama ng sama sa mga kaibigan na may mga nakakatrauma na relationship. Sama-sama kayo dun sa may mga happy relationship. See how they are.
Nagpalit na rin ng friend group. Yung ko na sa inyo, toxic nyo.
Toxic nyo. Lahat na lang natututunan
Ang
ko.
toxic na mga jowa nyo, bye.
Lahat ng natutunan ko. Diba? Lahat ng natutunan mo is how lahat ng natutunan mo is how to detect a cheater. But the question is, do you know how to detect a good man?
Oh, magandang question yun.
Can you detect one when you find one? So that is the kind of exposure that you have to normalize in your life.
Wow. Thank you, Coach V.
It's a pleasure.
Na-enlighten mo na naman kami. Binuksan mo na naman yung mga isip namin. Ay, nako, Coach V. Ay, mag-zoom tayo next time.
Yes.
Okay.
One-on-one na lang.
One-on-one na to, Coach V.
Hindi, joke lang. I love that they're here. I love that we are seeing their reaction. And I love when they say like, yes, heartbreak is
Tama.
good.
It's a blessing sometimes. But thank you, Coach V, for your time, for, again, educating all of us and siguro letting us know kung ano pa yung mga hindi namin alam or kung may mga alam na kami na validate kami.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Coach
My
V.
pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Yes,
I
thank
love
you sa lahat ng
guys.
mga sumali for our heart episode. So thank you guys for watching this episode and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Yay.
Yes! Catch the new episodes of the Bear Doll podcast every Monday and Thursday on Spotify and every Tuesday and Friday on our YouTube channel.